Hello everyone. Welcome to the LingoLite Plus channel. Stop saying only hello and hi. Let's explore some modern and stylish ways to greet people in English.
Number 1. Hey. Hey.
Hey is a casual and friendly way to say hello. It's commonly used with friends, classmates, and people you know well.
For example, you can say,
Hey, Sarah.
Hey, how are you?
Number 2. Hey there. Hey there.
Hey there is a friendly and relaxed way to say hello. It's commonly used in casual conversations.
let's see an example.
Hey there, how's your day going?
It's going great, thanks.
Number 3. Hi there. Hi there.
Hi there is a warm, friendly, and welcoming way to say hello. It sounds natural and polite in everyday conversations.
For example,
Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Number 4. Hiya. Hiya.
Hiya is a cheerful and informal way to say hi. It's commonly used in casual conversations, especially in British English.
for example,
Hiya, nice to see you.
Hiya, you too.
Number 5. Howdy. Howdy.
Howdy is a friendly and relaxed way to say hello. It is especially common in American English and has a casual, cheerful feel.
for example,
Howdy, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Number 6. Yo. Yo.
Yo is a very casual and informal way to say hello. It is mostly used with close friends and people you know well.
for example,
Yo, what's up?
Hey, not much.
Instead of always saying hello and hi, try these modern greetings to sound more natural and confident in English. Now you know some modern ways to say hello. Keep practicing and make your English more fluent.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to LingoLite Plus for more English learning videos. Bye bye.